Hi Jeff. I thought I would give you a quick update on the Mackenzie Society website and do it visually rather than typing a bunch of stuff out. So here we go. So this is the mackenziesociety.org current homepage. I don't really have anything on it. It's just really just a placeholder. But you can see there is a logo. It's an image for the title, and it's easy to replace, but it's just a start. Okay, so now down here we have our menu area, and so the two things I want to talk about today is one is what I've done for the society info page, and then for the clubs, what I have in there. So first of all, you'll see that there are multiple sections in the society info. I have it implemented now as just a single page, and if you click on that, you'll go to the society info page, and you'll see if you scroll down, there's the different sections. There's the clubs and directors, officers and past presidents, and a brief history. If you are on, let's say, the home page and you hover over the menu and you select history, well, it'll take you directly to the history. Okay. And at the bottom right-hand corner of every page is this little doodad to get you back up to the top. The other thing you might have noticed is that when you scroll down, the top menu bar disappears, but when you start scrolling up, I just started scrolling up, then it reappears so that you can navigate around easily. Okay. And since it may not be obvious once you get to this page that there are sections below, I've put these little buttons in here, so it's another way to navigate around. All of this stuff can be changed, removed, updated. These are just some possibilities. Okay. So anyway, that's what I have here. And on the history, this is the text taken from the document that you sent me. And I didn't extract out all of the images and things that were in there to liven it up. But I did grab one image. Actually, I grabbed this from the Pasatiempo website just to show that we can incorporate images into this text, and I probably need to get higher quality versions of all the stuff that was in that Word document. Okay, so that's the current society info page, and we still need this top paragraph here should be a brief description of what the society does. I figure that's a good place to put it. Now, let's talk about what I've done for the clubs. Now, basically, for the society info, it's one essentially static page, and when this needs to get changed, you open up the page in the WordPress editor, which I'll show you in a second, and you make the change. The clubs are implemented a little bit differently. There is a template page that's designed, and then each of the clubs is basically like an entry in the database, and the information that we've entered flows into that template. So let me pop over here to the WordPress editor. So this is the WordPress dashboard, which represents the website. This page here, is the society info page, and so if I edit it with the editor, you can see it's actually a nice visual editor that you can use, and you can easily update the content. Okay, but the clubs are a little bit different. They are implemented, like I said, as more of a database. There's a template that's designed, and then each of the pages has an entry like this. So here's the title of the page, here's the content, and then there's various custom fields that for each club. The director's name, the website URL, the map location, the actual text location, and then other pieces of information. We can add to this, and let me show you how that works. So basically, if you go to, say, the Pasatiempo, that information flows into this template, the title, the location, the year design, blah, blah, blah. So for example, if we go over here, we change the year design to 2018, which of course is stupid, then we update this entry, come back over to the website, hit refresh, then you'll see it says 2018. Okay, so that's how that works. And there would be one of these pages for every club. And this is the thing where theoretically we could give members of the club access to edit their particular page. May or may not want to do that. I don't think we want to do that initially, because even though this is about as simple as you're going to get, it's still probably relatively complex for a lot of these folks. Anyway, so let's go over here and refresh the page, and we'll see the data's changed back. So anyway, that's what I have so far, and I just thought I'd share it with you visually.